Hi, this is Anthony, and we're back with some more of the metric system. How we're gonna learn. I am here with my bro Joel. So I'll be going over the triple beam balance. I'll be doing the graduated cylinder, and I'll be using this ruler to see the measurement. After this, we will be doing a dance at the end. So,
Girls, we do not need an audience.
So we're gonna start all of these at 0. We're gonna put the pencil pouch on here. Let's see if it's 100. Too much. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 is too much, so it's 60. Then, after this, we will grab a pencil to help us out with the measures. We'll be moving it over to here. Is it 2? So still not enough. 2.3 is just right. So that's it for the pencil pouch. It's 62.3. Next, we'll be measuring a ruler, which this will probably be all this because it's really heavy. Then we'd be putting some 10s. So right now we're on 30.
That's not a ruler.
That
is a stapler, not a ruler.
Not stapler. So then we'll be 20 is still not enough. 30, 40 is still not enough. 50, which is way too much. So we'll be on 40.
No, 40 is too much.
Yeah, it's 40 too much. 30 is all this up. So then we'll be moving this over. Let's see if it's 1. No, 1.5. Which is just right. So it's 531.5. Now, we'll be resetting this, and we'll be moving on to the graduated cylinder, which Joel will be taking over. See you guys in a little bit.
Okay, so now we have the graduated cylinder. This helps us measure the volume of irregularly shaped objects like this one. Since usually you do like length times width times height, which some stuff, this you cannot. So when we drop this in, you'll see what's called water displacement, which basically is that like when you drop a mass in, the water will go up, and then you subtract what the water is right now with the water what it is when we drop this in to get the mass. And why did you just throw this at me? Stop.
Sorry about that. I dropped it.
And then, basically, now, like, you don't look at the top of this. You gotta find the meniscus. And it's really hard to see sometimes. So we're going to need to move this up. I don't even know if you'd be able to see it, but for me, when I would look at it, the meniscus would be about 74. 73? Yeah, 74. So then when we drop this in, if it doesn't get stuck, it's floating and it actually rose up. So this is water displacement. And then when you measure, you're going to want to look for the small dip. That's the meniscus. You will find that it is about 82 or 83. In between 82 and 83. And then we subtract 74 from
Hey, Joel.
83.
Did you hear the big news? Jason just escaped and is coming right towards this area. Yes, we should be prepared while we're doing this, just in case.
Okay.
So, now, let's see. So, it is at exactly 70.
No, that's where it was. We're up here.
So, it's exactly 80.3. which is that one. And finally, we'll be
Okay,
using
and
the
then we
ruler.
No, but then we gotta subtract 74 and 83 to get our total.
Okay, so now we're using the ruler. Let's start with this highlighter. So we'll be having this. So we'll move this over here. This we'll put right here. We'll see. We always start with the centimeters, instead of the inches, because that's way too much. So we started with the 0. It is all the way to the side. It's 13. It's 13.7. Yeah, 13.7 for the.
I have a small concern.
What?
We're gonna need to run.
What?
He's staring out the window.